Hey you guys, how's it going? So we have to go take a wheel and tire to the tire shop. We gotta get mounted up because tomorrow we're supposed to be going and doing roll racing with the BMW. And we got like meats, like they're like what, 275s for the rear and then just 255s for the front, but we're just gonna run all the stocks. So I gotta go get a front mounted and then we gotta throw them on the car. It's raining. We were gonna test it and see how it handles turned up, but looks like we're really not gonna be able to do that in the rain. So looks like we're just gonna be flying by the edge of our seat tomorrow. And just, yeah. But yeah, no, we're walking down the shed right now. I got like a limp because I feel like I have like an ingrown town now. It freaking hurts. I don't know. I'll have to check it out in a little bit. But you know, we're gonna go ahead and get this tire and wheel and get it back up, get into the Subaru, and then go to the tire shop. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, well, it is raining as you guys can see, but we got the wheel and tire right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the BMW up, or not the BMW, the Subaru. We're gonna pull it up right here. I'm gonna load this up and then we're gonna go ahead and head to the tire shop. So yeah, let's get it going.
So in love with you, you got me down again. Hold up.
Okay guys, we just got done cleaning up the bike and man, she came out minty. We only spent like 2 hours on it, but ain't a speck of dirt left on her. And she clean. You couldn't even see the Yoshi. I'm gonna powder coat the silencer black. I was on a like race quad trader forum on Facebook, and some guy had that on his YFZ, and man, it looked clean powder coated black. So we're definitely gonna be doing that. But no, I might order some works connection parts tonight, maybe. I don't know, I'm kind of broke, so we'll see. But I really want to take the headlights off. I'm gonna ask my dad if I can take the headlights and the tail light off. I'll buy the carbon fiber delete for it. But and now we are going to go ahead and back the BMW up in here and get the big wide tires that are over there thrown on her. So yeah, let's get it. Okay guys, how's it going? We got a couple of packages which I believe are for the YFZ, so let's go ahead and get these suckers open, huh? Looks like we have our kill switch. Just Pro Armor. This is probably the best one you can get for a bike. They just look good and they're super easy because they got the little pull thing. Yeah, pretty sweet. Needs a plug. Doesn't come with a plug, so yeah, doesn't come with a plug, so needs a plug. And then come over here. I know what these bad boys are. Yes, dang, this is a sweet box. They've really improved the boxes these things come in. Check them babies out. Nice. Very nice. So we got those, and then this is probably my favorite out of everything. Let's go ahead and get this puppy open. Dang, they really taped this box up. They sure are making it a task to get open too. Jeez. Okay, let's see. Come on. God, I freaking love getting parts in the mail. Oh yeah. Jag it. Block off plate for the rear brake. Parking brake. Dang, they do custom engraving. That's pretty sweet. Okay, but we are going to go ahead and probably throw the handguards and the block off plate on. We're not going to throw the kill switch on because I don't know how to wire it in. So we'll have to have Cody or Kenny do that or help me with that. So she's going to have to go to tire blocks for that. But no, let's go ahead and probably get this block off plate on there real quick. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, now that we got the block off plate on there, as you can see, I'm pretty sure we can just go ahead and cut this cable and just pull it out each end. As you can see, we're gonna have a perch coming, works connection perch. Just haven't ordered it yet, but for now we're just gonna go ahead and yard this guy off. But yeah, no, looks like it went together pretty well. Yeah, there she is. So pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut that real quick and yard her on out. So let's get to it. Okay guys, well we successfully got the block off plate on there. As you can see, no more parking brake. We'll be having a works connection perch set up while it come in, so that's not staying. And yeah, there she is. Way cleaner. Yeah, pretty sweet. Now we need to get rear tail light delete, front light delete, and just keep on going with her. But yeah, looks way better. I like that. I like that a lot. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull the BMW in here and get the wheels thrown on it for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get that going right now. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and get these wheels swapped, and yeah, let's get this started because it's starting to rain and I really don't want to have to be out here working in the rain. So let's get it going. Since you guys never see what's behind the wheel, I just want to show you guys real quick. Like, check it out. ST coilovers. Hell yeah. M3 suspension. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the 275 rears on, and yeah, this is really sketch. I don't exactly have like the right jacking piece, so a little scary, but so let's hurry up and get this done. Okay guys, we just got the rears on and looks pretty sweet. Looks like it's ready to go do some freaking racing. There's some thick tires in the rear though. 275s, freaking meats. Look at that. She tucked. Oh yeah. Anyways, we gotta go ahead and do the fronts, but I think I'm gonna take a break. I need to pee and stuff, so yeah, I'll come back out in a minute. Go ahead and take these and throw them in the garage real quick. So okay guys, we're swapping out the fronts right now, and I just want to show you the front coils. Check them babies out. Pretty sweet. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw these fronts on and then call it a night for working on the BMW. Sketchy, don't like it, so yeah, let's get this over with. Okay, you guys, we got the wheels all on, as you can see. Bam, bam. So we just checked the oil level. It's like in the middle. We're gonna add a little bit just because this thing has a bad turbo seal, I think. Almost positive it's a bad exhaust side turbo seal. Ooh, it's smoky in here now, but yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil and then call it a night on touching this thing. Hopefully it does good tomorrow. We're gonna get our asses smacked though. There's gonna be some badass cars out there, and I'll tell you what, we're probably gonna be like the least coolest, so yeah. Yep. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get the oil put in there, so yeah, let's get it. Okay, everything checks out so far. Here she is. I actually kind of like the way the stocks look. I mean, they're a little chipped up because I think, so these are wheels that actually came on the car and we bought it a couple, like, what, year and a half, 2 years ago. 335 IS wheels, I'm pretty sure. But they just rattle canned them. They would actually look good if they were like maybe bronze chrome, powder coated. I was thinking either bronze chrome or a dark silver, like what we did to the Crazy Kart. Or even maybe like a really nice gloss metallic black. I don't know, but we're probably gonna keep these and just get them powder coated. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't think it looks too bad. I don't think it looks as good as the BBS's, but I don't think it looks bad either. Yeah. Ooh. Ah, sorry guys. But no, we're gonna go ahead and probably leave that out for tonight. I just want to have this open area, just because I still got to access stuff over here. But yeah, should be done with the BMW now. So let's go back to the Yamaha. Okay, guys. Well, we were going to throw the handguards on this thing, but I think we're gonna have a problem with trying to fit the handguards with this throttle. So we're probably just gonna have to wait until we get the Honda throttle, honestly. Which isn't that big of a deal. I mean, if we shave down the Cherubus, like the plastic piece that bolts on, like to the bar, we could probably fit it under the throttle, but I'm really not too worried about it right now. I don't really need them until I'm racing with other quads and I'm getting roosted and stuff, so. But no, yeah. It was a solid day. I gotta get up like 5 to 4:30 in the morning tomorrow. Okay guys, sorry, that was weird. It like just ended. I think I ran out of storage, but no. Back to what we were talking about. I gotta get up like 4:30 because I need to do my sauna and take a shower, and then we gotta leave here at 7:30 to go up to Pacific Raceways. But yeah, no, it was a solid day. I have a pretty gnarly headache right now. I don't know why. I got it at the gym and it hasn't gone away, but yeah, no, I think that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button, you guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.